It says after, now we're going to go far beyond. Now for those people who don't believe in Atlantis and Lemuria, that's because you ain't been studying. Oh, I got with all the scholars and I said, where the hell you get this stuff from? I said, okay then, you want documentation. So I start documenting all the scholars at the Millennium Conference, and they had to bear witness to it. I said, you just didn't read the Hermes Trismegistus material, where it simply said Tahuti comes from a land of the deluge, beyond the Nile. You see what I'm saying? And they said that his particular work is undateable. So when you talk about Atlantis and Lemuria and all that type of stuff, you talking about particular stuff, it's all in the document. You just got to sift it out. One good book you need to get is Health Researchers just put it back out. It's Atlantis and Lemuria by Rudolf Steiner. Atlantis and Lemuria by Rudolf Steiner. Now this book came out in 1925, supposedly before Honorable Elijah Muhammad, Master Farah Muhammad came to teach Honorable Elijah Muhammad. And you laughed at that stuff, but yet the cracker in almost 5 years before Master Farah Muhammad came to teach him, he bear witness to the same thing that the white man was created. The white man was created. Bearing witness that the sun was separated from the moon. All in this particular book. You see? So therefore, it's just you just haven't dug deep enough. Or is there a conspiracy of hidden history, and they're only giving the scholars what they want them to know? Don't go beyond Egypt for 3,000 years. And everything else is vague. You can hint on it, but you don't get the complete gnosis. Now, let's go into this particular thing. After the earth and the planet has cooled, it was ready for the inhabitants. A race arrived from outer space who was not human. Now, but was the original true race of men. Now, this particular person he's talking rubbish. He said they ain't human, but he said they had an original true race of men. You understand what I'm saying? Now, but they were called the Cyclopean race and are known in the secret arcane as the of the elder race. So he's doing the metaphysical thing again. He's talking to one people, and you thinking it's a damn person with a damn one eye in the forehead and no other eyes. Cyclopean means the third eye. Check. Are the Elohim elder race. And simply the elves before coming to earth, they had traveled through space and all over the great cycles of time. They were titans and they rode the starways. And they still, in other dimensions in time and space, sought ways, and they always sought the best green pastures for their stock or their flock. The first life on the planet was the inheritors of the legends, was a great race of elder race who preceded man. Now we go back into that because, like I said, at one time you were God. Manetho said, before pre-dynastic Kemet, the gods used to rule. That's when your third eye was open, your chakra system, and your higher self. You understand? So they are saying that this particular elder race preceded man. It's metaphysical to say that the man with the shut down faculties, it was Superman, then it was man. Go look at Superman 2. When the people, when the glass shattered and these three black figures got out and came back, started running the earth. Check. Some of the elves were true Cyclops, third eye, and they had only a great central eye.